Alright, let's dive into Chapter 6, and to the left some of the functions that we will be using in Excel. Alright, so we need to get our coupon. Well, the coupon is nothing more than the coupon rate times par value. It tells us semi-annual, so we divide by 2. And that's typical with your corporate bonds. So we need to figure out the price of our bond. So present value of our coupon payments, and that's going to be the present value of, and we're going to use number of the yield to maturity rate is what we want to use, and we're going to divide that by 2. We need the number of periods. It's a 10-year bond. We multiply by 2. And we now need the payment. We're going to put it in as a negative. And then from here I can just close the argument up. So the present value of our coupon is $5.55.85. Now we need the present value of our of the par, because that's what we're going to get when it's all said and done. And again, we'll take our yield to maturity divided by 2. We're going to use number of years times 2. And then there's no PMT. The future value is 1,000. So we're trying to figure out what that $1,000 is worth to us today at 7.5%. If I can type my formula, we add it together, and we are willing to pay $1,034.74 to get our what we're willing to buy the bond for. Next one, we need to figure out what the price as a percent of par is. Equal sign. New formula we're going to use is price. Financial and the formula opens. So the settlement is listed, maturity, and again we have to enter these as dates. Our rate is going to be the annual coupon. Yield is our yield to maturity, and then our face value of par, and then we need to scroll down, frequency, and that's just how many times a year are we getting our interest payment. And we click OK, and our bond is trading at 93.991% of par value. Okay, we will continue on. So it's asking us what the dollar price of the bond is, and that is going to be a function of par value and our what do you call it? Par value and the percent we're willing to pay. So we'll go back to price. And we'll scroll back up. And again, we'll enter in our same functions. Settlement, maturity, the rate, the yield, the redemption, so 100% of, and our frequency. And we'll click OK. And then we multiply it, since it's expressed as a percentage. If we multiply it by 10, we get a price. So we're willing to buy that bond at $939.91. Let us use our yield to maturity. Equal sign, financial, YTM, yield. There we go. And again, it needs some information. Our settlement date, the maturity, the current rate. So that is going to be your annual coupon. The PR is the price, and again, they want it as a essentially it's a percentage. The redemption, and then scroll down, frequency, we're getting 2 coupon payments per period, or per year I should say. And so our yield to maturity for that bond is 6%, even though the coupon rate is 6.8, which makes sense because the price is above 100. And a little information about the yield function and how it operates. Alright, I hope this has been helpful. Once again, thanks for watching.